The center is at -2, 3, since we take the opposite signs in the parentheses. The opposite of +2 is -2, and the opposite of -3 is +3. This is our h and our k. The value of a is the square root of 25, which equals 5, and the value of b is the square root of 36, which equals 6. Great work if you got these three correct. Now, what's even more important is your graph. Let's see if yours will match mine. We'll start with an ellipse as usual, and it will be centered at -2, 3. -2 in the x direction, +3 in the y direction. We move 5 units left and right from the center, and 6 units up and down from that center to form our ellipse. Now we draw in our dashed rectangle around our ellipse, and then we draw in the 2 diagonals. Now we're ready to create our hyperbola. The x squared term comes first, so we know our hyperbola will open left and right. We'll split our ellipse in half, and we'll flip the 2 ends out, so that way we get the graph of our hyperbola. Nice work if you got this graph.